everyone, Lauren Liddell here in the Motor City. Let's go take a shop tour. This is our shipping and receiving department where broken comes in and better than new go out. Here in shipping and receiving, we photograph and log everything that comes into our shop, starting off the process. Once everything is ready, we move on to teardown. This is our Teardown and Inspection department. Here, spindles get torn down and inspected. This is where we can really get a feel for what's going on with the spindle and what needs to be done. Let's take a look at our machine shop. Our full-service machine shop lets us take care of everything in-house. Our expert team of grinders have both manual grinders and CNC to ensure the best quality for your spindles. This is the Spindle Room where all the magic happens. In our 5,000-foot spindle room, we have expert technicians with experience ranging from 20 to 30 years and more. This is where spindles are rebuilt, remanufactured, and upgraded, coming back to you with a new life, outlasting the brand new spindles from the OEM. This is our testing department where everything is tested and balanced back to better than OEM spec. In testing, we test and balance the spindles to make sure that everything comes back to you running perfectly. We won't settle for anything less than the best. Thank you for joining us on our shop tour. Do you need a CNC spindle repair? Reach out today. Sales@motorcityrepair.com.